Susuntokin niya ako, oh.
Kung po fighting! Ho! 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 Ho!
How to kiss mommy?
Is this your feet? So soft. Alright, let's talk about something. I have a few questions. Number one question, what's your name? What's your name? Your name should be Elon. You should say, my name is Elon. Alright? Second question, how tall are you? You say, I'm 3 feet. 3 feet ka na? 4 feet? 5 feet? 5 feet ka na? Ha? Ha? Okay, third question. Third question, what's your favorite food? What's your favorite food? Is it milk? Is it sugar foods? Soft drinks? Donuts? Of course, milk is your favorite food because that's the only food you are eating right now. Alright? Let me see your foot. Wow, so cute. Let me see your foot. Ooh, so cute. Ooh. Wow, so soft. Is this your feet? So soft. Look at the camera. Yeah. Good. Tell me, what's your name? Your name is Elon. Can you say your name? I want to hear it. Come on, don't be shy. Susuntokin niya ako, oh. Nakaready yung kamay niya. You want to punch me?
Kung po fighting! Kung po fighting! Ho! 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 Kung po fighting! Kung po fighting! So! Yeah!
Huwag kay daddy. Paano kay daddy?
Ba, todo kiss namin. Hindi siya bad breath. Ba't di siya bad breath?
Kiss me. Kiss mommy. I think it's just a flash.
Hindi ko lang makiss, kasi bawal. Pag pwede na, todo kiss.
How to kiss mommy? I can kiss mommy. Kiss mommy, baby.